Hi, my name is Haczynski, and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Cornelis Networks, and we're here at ISC25. I'm here with Filip Morel from our great partners at Eliovp. So Filip, tell us a little bit about, your innovations and why you're here at ISC.
So at Eliovp, we're making modular data centers, and we're optimizing GPUs, so top-of-the-line GPUs, to make them run as fast as they can. And we found that a lot of the data centers can't even house our GPU servers, so we started building them ourselves. The good thing about these modular DCs is you can really go specific for the customer and give them what they want, to have it next to a building, have it somewhere far out. And we found that with the Cornelis network, it works awesome, because a top-of-the-line GPU doesn't make sense if you don't have the interconnect or the latency is there. Then you can do whatever optimizations you want. So
yeah, so it sounds like the network is a really important part of the solution. So maybe talk. I mean, you talked a little bit about the partnership with Cornelis Networks, but maybe anything else you want to add?
So we have all types of customers. We have universities who want it really close by, smaller setups. We can have that with the Cornelis network, but we can also have larger clusters. Let's say for an AI campus, for training, you can provide that as well. So it's really nice to have this modular DC with a partner that can provide the right network for that model and that customer. So it's really specific for that customer.
Awesome. And then, I know that you're doing a lot with AMD GPUs. So, help us understand how you're really tuning and driving performance out of AMD's GPUs.
So we have Payton. It's our custom, it builds the kernels, completely new, not on any other platform. It's a standalone software. And it makes the AMD MI300X run as fast and as the NVIDIA H200. So yeah,
that's great. And I think we're in an industry that there's a lot of great innovation, and competition is always a good thing. And it's great to know that some of the technologies you're deploying are really putting the GPU providers on par with each other from a performance perspective.
Well, it's good to have some competition,
yes,
because that drives innovation.
Any last comments or thoughts about the partnership with Cornelis and Eliovp, and what excites you about the future?
Well, how we came to Cornelis was we found the long lead times were a lot of times a big problem for us, because we're trying to get our modular DCs up and running between 4 to 6 months, sometimes even 3 months, and network was a big bottleneck just to get a decent network. 2 years ago, we had lead times of a year. So this is really a problem. And Cornelis was there to help us out and provide the right network for our customer and get us online and provide the customer within a decent lead time. So
awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us. We appreciate the partnership, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your ISC.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Thanks, Filip.